कि खूबोर का Bcci TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Menteri Sarkar Bapak Ikatan Jelek Kaya Jungka Sarkar Kylla Ubah Syaklir Wajri Lepen Pawa ke Sarkar Kylla Kamsim Laduk Jingkermen Beniok Penlong Eka National Games Sapuk ke Kylla Meghalaya. Habis keren berkelap patai kubur Ubah Syaklir Uluong Bah ke Sarkar Kelaya Syakmat Beniok Penlong Eka National Games Syushu Bak Wajri Lepen Tip Bah ke Sarkar Kadang Ab Ya Ki Atli Kylla Makin Penlong Eka National Games Bak Nakaliang Jungka Kylla Meghalaya Kelepen Krep Bah Beniok Penlong Eka National Games. Hakwe Kaliang Menteri Sarkar la pentip baka Bcci kala Shim yakwe ke stadium Madan Kurkalang Riboy District ban penkela ke Madan Cricket Stadium ke kung national standard.
No, we are going ahead with national games. There's no question of giving up. But see, before us, I think there are two states that need to hold the national games first. So after them, it's our turn. So as of now, we're still waiting for them, but we already have a plan in place to hold the national games. See, that depends on the state who has been allotted before us. So it depends after them, after they have hosted the national games, then only we can host. Then it's our turn to host. So all those allegations are there, of course, but to say that should we give up just because of these allegations, I would say no. Of course, there are ups and downs, and we are trying our best as a government to provide the best. And of course, all these allegations that have been made only makes us work harder to make sure that we provide the best for the athletes. And of course, like I said, just because we have allegations against the Meghalaya Games does not mean that we give up on it. As of now, I would not say that we have sufficient infrastructure, but by the time comes, we will have sufficient infrastructure. We have many stadiums that has come up across the entire state and so many districts. So we have stadiums coming up, we have indoor halls coming up. So there's a lot of infrastructure that's being done for the past, I think, for the past 5-6 years. So of course, we believe that after all this infrastructure has been built completely, we will be able to host the national games. See, the PA Sangma Stadium has been fully constructed. It's 100% done. The portion that you're talking about it happened due to the blockage of water. So the wall had collapsed. So that we are taking up the work. That is a small portion. We are taking up the work as soon as monsoon gets over, because right now we cannot start anything because the monsoon has started. So once monsoon is over, we will take up that work as well. No, right now I don't have the exact numbers with me. So there are estimates that has to be done, the surveys that has to be done. So once that's done, we will do it. I'll be very happy to inform you that I think that is entirely, I would not say, not to be rude or anything, not say it's wrong, but would be happy to inform you that Bcci has taken a stadium at Madan Kurkalang, which we are planning for a very big cricket stadium. So it's not that we're looking only at football. We do have a plan in place for cricket as well, in many disciplines. We talk about swimming pool, we are planning for swimming pools, we're planning for tennis. So there are so many things that we're planning. So it's not entirely that our focus is only on football, but our focus is on sports as a whole. Right now I cannot say much because everything is in talks, we're still in discussion. So once everything is final, then only I can give you a proper statement. But we are coming up, we are in talks to come up with a big cricket stadium in Riboy area. I would say it will take some time, about 2 to 3 months to finalize everything.